A wrong-way turn turns into a multi-vehicle crash, and at first, everyone seems relieved that nobody was seriously hurt. But as officers begin sorting out the accident, the driver's panic, excuses, and refusal to follow simple instructions start shifting the focus from a crash report to a DUI investigation. Before this becomes 20 minutes of everyone trying to calm down the one person who caused the mess. Hit, like if you already know accountability is about to arrive very late, but very loudly.
Do you need EMS? Do you need the paramedics to come check you? Were you driving?
No, I was in the red Honda Civic that just almost got nailed.
Okay.
The pieces were underneath and probably hit the whole bottom of my car.
So that car and that car.
What happened is the lights were green. She's on that side of the lane. She started making a left and then no left.
Into here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And he was going nailed.
So she was at fault?
Yeah. Nailed it right here. Completely jacked up. Radiators on the floor.
Alright.
Nailed it right here. Yeah.
406, copy 428. Are you the driver on this one?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright.
Dad, I gotta go.
Alright, so do you need EMS to come check you out?
No, I'm okay. My leg's a little scraped, but I think...
Alright. Sounds good. So can you tell me what happened?
They looked like they were making a left into the one-way.
Oh, into here?
And I was going through a green light.
Alright, that way?
Headed this way.
This way. Got it. She was going that way. Got it. It's okay. Okay, I get that. This is an accident. She's fine. Okay. We don't need you at the accident, okay?
Why?
Because she was involved.
I
get that, but this is an accident. No, she can't leave.
For what reason?
It's an accident.
I don't care if it's a car accident. Let me just comfort her for a second. Relax.
She was turning in here. She was turning. Yeah, she went the wrong way.
What do you mean the wrong way?
This is a one-way street.
I didn't do that.
Ma'am, it's okay. Do you need EMS to come check you out? Are you hurting at all?
No, I didn't think it was a one-way street. I didn't know my GPS told me to go this way.
Okay.
My GPS told me to go this way.
I get it. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Listen, it's a one-way street. Are you okay? All right, relax. It's okay.
Were you able to run all the cars?
Yeah, I ran everybody already.
You get drivers yet or no?
She's the driver. I ran the RO on that one, RO on that one. Is this a registered owner of this vehicle?
It's a car.
Do you want to come sit over here? Relax.
Doesn't matter about the car.
I don't care about the car.
Alright, ma'am, you need to get out of the road. Seriously.
What?
Out of the road.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay.
Do you need me to do anything now? Okay, go ahead. Pictures?
It's okay.
All right, gotcha.
It's okay.
The female driver for the BMW.
Come with me. Come with me.
Does she need EMS or not? I already asked her. Okay, she don't want the
Someone
EMS.
needs to stay here.
Okay, does she want EMS to come check her out? This is an accident.
They're calling an ambulance. She's gonna have a really bad.
She's DUI?
Absolutely.
Okay. You want to run it?
You do the crash, I'll do the DUI.
Perfect. Go ahead.
You do the crash first.
I'll do the. Yeah, I'm gonna do the crash. I have the 2 rotations coming out.
Frankie, they have to take it to the emergency room.
Why?
I'm not going to return. I'm not going to return.
She can refuse it.
Okay,
I
relax.
refuse it.
Yeah.
Relax.
She'll calm her
Okay,
down though.
can you go back to your car,
Frankie,
please?
I have to go back to the car. I'll stay here.
Can you go back to your car,
I'll go to
please?
your car too.
Thank
No,
you.
no. All right, let me
Sorry,
stay here.
I'll
No,
do that. So you stay here with like everything he said.
I think you should stay here.
I
I'm
can't
fine.
stay.
It was an accident. I didn't mean to.
Okay.
No, we know that.
She's not from here, and this used to
Okay,
be a one-way
ma'am.
road.
Ma'am, for the 5th time, please.
No, I mean it used to be a 2-way road.
Ma'am, for the 5th time, I
Yes,
don't
it
remember
was.
your
It
name,
didn't
but with the
used to be
broken
that
phone,
My mother's
please
been
go
here
back to
40
your car.
years.
Stop being so rude to
This
her.
was
I'm
the
not being
one
rude to
way.
her. I'm
You
being
used to
direct.
turn on
Just
five-
stop. Just stop.
No,
For
it
2
used to be
seconds,
2-way. You
please.
used to turn on 520, go to my
Mom,
grandmother.
that was
My bad, my name is-
All right, all right.
Yeah.
It's okay.
When I first
I got.
came here-
The vape is in the car. You gotta wait a second.
Arguing helps you.
Okay.
Please stop. Just sit down for 2
I
seconds.
can't. I'm good. I did an accident.
We know that.
It wasn't
We
on
know
purpose.
that.
It's an accident, it's not a purpose.
It's not on
Big
purpose.
deal.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It was an accident.
I understand. Nobody's saying it wasn't.
We just got here yesterday.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't care about the car. I don't care about any of that. It's okay. It's okay. No one got hurt. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go home. Hey.
So what do you guys want?
We gotta wait for the crash to be done.
Okay.
Can I get something from the car?
I'm sorry?
Or
Can I
can you get it?
something from the car?
What do you need to get out of the car?
Hey, babe.
Can you just wait a second?
Not really.
Or
I
you
think
can
you
hit
can
my
wait a
mom,
second.
babe.
Let's just not hit vapes right now. We don't need to hit vapes right now.
I'm just trying to get on my
I know it, but we don't need to hit vapes right now. What evidence is there of that in the car?
I haven't looked in the car. I can't smell it.
I don't smell it. I don't smell it.
I know, baby. I know. It's okay. I know. You work close. You're okay. It's okay.
She's declining.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. I promise you. No one cares about the car. And no one's hurt. Okay? No one got hurt?
No one's hurt.
No one got hurt. No ambulance is coming. I don't care about the car. It's fine. It's okay. You don't know that. You don't know. It's okay.
Hey guys, how y'all doing?
Good.
Oh, are you guys are you the driver for this car? You're the driver. You okay?
Yeah.
You want to get checked out by EMS? You sure?
Yeah. Thanks.
Did you hit your head?
No.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yeah, it was.
Gray shirt, and then she's our driver.
What's your name? Does she have her driver license in the car?
I'm sure in a pocketbook.
Is it okay if I grab your license so I can add you to the call to the crash?
Yeah, I prefer I get my license.
Are you okay to walk and go over there and get it?
I have no shoes on because I just got my nails done.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Yeah. I don't think it's going to go too far.
Hey, Lauren, are you ready to get checked out?
What do you mean by that?
They need to go ahead and make sure everything's okay. Gonna ask you some questions, okay? So, I have everybody's information, but I think she's DUI. So, Kaskinen doesn't want to do the DUI, so Henson is gonna do the DUI.
Why does he think she's doing it?
Because she's staggering, she's all over the place. Oh, he said he can smell, but Henson was here first on site, and she could just tell that there's something off with her. Definitely. Oof. So we have a rotation, a record coming to come pick up your vehicle. Is there anything in your vehicle that you need to get out before they take your car? Go ahead and put everything in your backpack if that's where you're going to carry it, because they're going to tow it.
Okay.
All right. So take your registration, insurance, your license. It looks like we already have one of the tow trucks here, so go ahead and grab everything. And if you want to have a seat over here until they, do you have anybody to take you or pick you
Yeah,
up?
my wife's on her way.
Perfect. Okay.
You guys gonna want a witness statement or anything
Huh?
from us?
No. What's going to happen is that you guys pretty much saw what everybody else saw. So the insurance is probably going to call you and because I'm going to add you as a witness to the crash
That
report.
simplified it.
Yeah, they're going to call you.
Paper here and fill this out.
No. They call you. No, they call
Nice.
you to kind of verify the
Okay.
story.
Cool.
Okay?
Thank you,
All
man.
right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
No, you're fine. Are you a little bit more calm? Okay. So I just like I asked him, do you know what happened or what
I
happened?
accidentally turned down the wrong road. I thought it used to be the way to go.
Mm-mm.
I don't know. I don't know what happened. I was just kind of zoned out. I was driving home from the nail salon, and I thought this was the way. I don't know how else to explain it, and I turned.
Do you live here in Sebastian?
No, I'm from New York.
Are you visiting here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I thought this was, it must be one road over.
Yep, it's one road over.
It's one road, and then I just didn't think of it.
Okay.
And I don't know.
All right. Sounds good.
I don't know. I'm so sorry.
It's an accident. Accidents happen. All right. Hold on. Oh. Hello. All right.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Where'd you come from? There. Okay, let's go back over there. They're gonna tow the truck. Do I need a property receipt or anything?
I'm gonna give you a case number, but I have to confer
Somebody
with
else.
Officer Sanchez. So just give me a minute, okay?
Yep, no problem.
Just so you can get the information for the tow, because Firehouse came, but I'm pretty sure they're picking up his truck. So we might have a different tow company. Let me
No problem.
get that information.
So Devin just wanted to make sure that I was done with the crash. So
Are you done?
I am done with the crash.
You did pictures, you did everything?
Yeah, everybody's information. This is
stand by him.
That's her.
Yeah, I'm good.
I already ran her. I got her phone number. She's good. The crash, we'll just have to clear here, and she's yours.
He's gonna move this one first, so he's gonna move it all the way. You can go with him.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.
Can you, his wife is here.
Okay.
He wants to get out of here. If you would give him the case number, or
yes.
Do we have to wait?
No, let me get him a case number. Yeah. 406. Can I get a case number?
I'm not gonna hang up the phone. It's my dad. I want him to stay here.
Okay. I need you to hang up the phone.
I'm not gonna hang it up.
Okay. He's telling you.
I'm not hanging it up.
Lori, just hang up.
I'd rather go to jail.
Right.
I'm going to jail for nothing.
Why is she going to jail?
Stay there because she's resistant. Stay there.
Resisting what?
She's not listening to him. Do not walk out in this road. I'm telling you right now, you'll go to jail too. I'm warning you right now. You got keyholes up? Yep. All right.
What am I going to jail for? Seriously. Can we start over? Like, seriously, I didn't do anything.
You had your chance. You'll have another chance down at the jail.
Can we just start over, please? For that 5 seconds, I'm going through a very traumatic thing right now. Really? Can we just start?
Yeah, go to Sebastian. Yeah.
So my car's blocking the road right now.
Where's that?
Don't get
Right
it.
there, 62. All right, bring it down here. There's a volunteer up there. Okay.
Why? Where is she going now? For what reason?
Hold on. I'll explain everything to you, okay? Just give me a second. As soon as I find out everything, I will explain everything to you, okay?
Just calm down, Lauren.
I don't understand what I'm being. Can someone explain to me what I'm being arrested for?
Resisting.
Right now.
What did I resist from?
He told you to hang up the phone several times.
Is that resisting?
Yep.
Since when?
Since ever.
Can we just start over? I need shoes.
You want to search you real quick?
Search me for what?
Stand
Stand right here. I'm gonna search your purse. Do you have anything on you?
Looks like everything on me.
You can put something in your bra. I don't know. You tell me. You can't. So that's something. Go ahead. Yep.
Okay.
Resisting what?
Oh, she's not obeying the law. So, all right, listen. So she'll be going to the county jail, okay?
Okay.
And I believe they're going to do a DUI investigation when they get down there as well, okay? That's what's going on, okay? So I promised you I would tell you what's going on. That's what's going on, okay? So right now, that's exactly where we're at, okay? Any questions I can answer for you right now?
No questions.
Okay.
Okay, so I can go to the county jail. Is that where she's going right now?
It's gonna be a bit.
It's going to be a little
I gotta
bit.
get my lawyer here and everything. So
Okay.
I'm gonna go meet you guys at the county jail.
It's
Okay.
gonna be a bit.
All right, no
because
problem.
She's going
That's
to the
fine.
hospital first.
Why's she going to the hospital?
Because she was in a
That's
crash.
the protocol because she was in a crash.
She just denied the EMS service.
That's not how it works, buddy.
She has to be medically cleared before she goes to the jail.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, failure to participate in the field sobriety exercises are going to lead me to have to make a arrest decision for DUI based on what I've already seen up to this point.
Fine, then you never told me that before, so I'll participate, I guess.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. So what I want you to do first, you're going to participate in the field sobriety exercises?
Can I just
You want me to finish the
evaluate
spiel?
my options? So my two options are participate,
Yep.
and then not participate and get a DUI for nothing. Right? Those are my two options.
Nope. So what I was reading was your Taylor warning. If you do not participate in the field sobriety exercises, I'm going to have to make an arrest decision for the charge of DUI based on everything I've already seen up to this point. And that refusal to do field sobriety exercises can be used against you in court. Okay?
I'm not totally sure of what that means, to be honest.
Okay. If you do not do the exercises, then I show you how to do them. I'll show you how to do them, explain to you how to do them. If you don't do them, I'm going to have to make an arrest decision on whether or not I'm going to charge you with DUI. If I'm going to add a charge of DUI.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Right now, you're not under arrest for DUI.
I
It
know,
is just,
I don't have one.
correct. Right now, it's just resisting arrest without violence.
Maybe we do that, okay.
Okay.
We'll just forget it, but yeah.
Okay. So right now, there's no DUI charge.
Okay.
Okay. If you fail to do the exercises I'm requesting, I'm gonna have to make a decision based on what I've already seen up to this point.
Okay, and how do you feel about that?
It's a yes or no question. Do you want to participate in them?
No, maybe, do you really think I deserve a D on top of everything you did to me today?
I'm doing a DUI investigation. It's a yes or no question. Do you want to participate or do you not want to participate?
I don't think I deserve a DUI because I wasn't drinking.
Okay. Do you or do you not want to participate in field sobriety exercises?
I don't know how else to explain that you're extorting me, but I don't know what the right answer is. I don't.
It's a yes or no question. It's a yes or no question.
Yeah, but I don't know how to answer a question that I didn't do it.
Okay.
It's just like I called my dad and you told me I was resisting arrest.
Okay. Do you or do you not want to participate in field sobriety
I don't know how it
exercises?
affects me.
I don't know if I can explain that or not.
I don't know what affects me. I don't know how to answer the question because I don't know how it affects me. And I'm shaking to death. My heart is pounding.
Okay.
I really can't do this.
Okay.
I have way too much anxiety.
Okay.
I need to go back to the hospital.
Okay. How about this? I can show you what I want you to do. And if
You
you
can show me whatever you want.
hold on, hear me out for a minute. And if you don't feel like you can do it, then I won't do it. Okay? Is that fair? Okay. So I want you to do, put one foot in either box and then face me. Just put one foot in either box. Yep. Nope. Put the other foot in that box. Perfect. If you're able to, put your feet together like this.
The most important thing to remember in this video is that the crash did not happen to her. She caused it. That may sound harsh, but it matters because almost every part of her behavior afterward is built around reversing that reality. She turns the wrong way onto a one-way street, hits other vehicles, creates a dangerous scene in the roadway, and then almost immediately becomes the person everyone is comforting. Her boyfriend is comforting her. Officers are trying to calm her down. People around her keep explaining that it was an accident, that nobody got hurt, that the car does not matter, that everything will be okay. And emotionally, that makes sense. She is clearly panicking. She is crying, spiraling, overwhelmed, and not processing the scene well. But legally and morally, there is a difference between being upset because something happened and being the person whose choices made it happen. That distinction gets lost around her for a while. The man she hit is actually one of the most telling people on scene, because he is calm in a way he did not have to be. His vehicle is damaged. He could have been seriously injured. According to the later comment context, his pregnant wife even had to come to the scene. Yet he is not the one screaming, collapsing, or demanding the entire scene revolve around him. The person who created the danger is. That is the pattern that makes the rest of the stop so frustrating. At first, the wrong way turn may be explainable. She is from New York. She says she was following GPS. She says she did not realize the road was one way. She says she was zoned out, thought it used to go that way, and accidentally made the turn. That kind of mistake can happen. Not every crash is a crime. Not every traffic mistake is malicious. If this had ended with an accident report, a citation, insurance information, and everyone going home, the story would be much simpler. But officers are not only looking at the crash, they are looking at the driver, and what they are seeing gives them a reason to look deeper. They observe that something seems off. They talk about her staggering and being all over the place. Her emotional state is extreme, but it is not only sadness or shock. She is scattered, resistant, argumentative, and difficult to redirect. She keeps focusing on the wrong issues. The phone call, the vape, whether she can leave, whether they can start over, whether she is being treated unfairly. That does not automatically prove impairment. Anxiety after a crash can look messy. Panic can make people shake, cry, and talk in circles. But a DUI investigation does not require officers to already know the final answer. It requires enough observations to justify checking whether impairment played a role. Here, they have a crash caused by a wrong-way maneuver, a driver behaving unusually, and officers on scene noticing signs that concern them. That is enough to start asking DUI questions. The vaping detail is small, but it says a lot about the mindset around her. Someone says she has asthma, while she also wants her vape from the car. That contradiction is not the legal heart of the case, but it fits the overall picture. Every concern around her becomes flexible depending on what she wants in that second. If breathing is the concern, vaping is obviously not helping. If panic is the concern, arguing with officers is not helping. If she wants the investigation to go smoothly, refusing clear instructions is not helping, but the people around her keep trying to soften the consequences instead of helping her make better choices. And that is another reason the scene drags out. Her boyfriend is not necessarily trying to cause trouble, but he keeps hovering, questioning, and stepping into a process that is no longer just a crash scene. Once officers begin a DUI investigation, the driver's friends do not get to manage it for her. They can be worried, they can ask where she is going, but they cannot turn every instruction into a group discussion. At some point, comfort becomes interference. The arrest for resisting without violence appears to come from that same refusal to follow basic instructions. She is told to hang up the phone. She does not. She is told not to walk into the road. She resists the officer's control of the scene and then repeatedly asks, "Can we start over?" That line is almost the theme of the entire video. She wants a reset button after each bad decision. Can we start over after the crash? Can we start over after not listening? Can we start over after the officer decides she is being detained? Can we start over after she realizes this is becoming a criminal investigation? But real life does not reset just because the consequence finally becomes clear. That is what accountability often feels like to someone who is not used to it. It feels unfair, sudden, and personal, even when it is simply the delayed result of choices already made. Her later conversation during the field sobriety process shows this perfectly. She keeps asking whether she deserves a DUI on top of everything the officers did to her. That is an astonishing way to frame it. The officers did not turn into the wrong lane. The officers did not cause the crash. The officers did not create the damaged vehicles. The officers did not make her behave in a way that raised DUI concerns. They are responding to the aftermath. But in her mind, the investigation becomes another thing happening to her. That is why the phrase feels so revealing. On top of everything you did to me today. It erases the victim outside the patrol car. It erases the man whose vehicle was hit. It erases the danger she introduced into the roadway. It turns the whole incident into a story about her emotional discomfort. And yes, she may be genuinely anxious. She may be having a panic attack. Her legs may really be shaking. She may feel like her heart is pounding. Those things can be real. But anxiety after a crash does not mean the DUI investigation is extortion. That accusation is another way of avoiding the actual question. The officer is not trying to extort her by explaining the consequences of refusing field sobriety exercises. He is telling her that if she refuses to participate, he will have to make an arrest decision based on the observations he already has. That is not a threat. That is the structure of the investigation. Field sobriety exercises are not a game you play because the officer is bored. They are a standardized way to gather observations, balance, divided attention, ability to follow instructions, coordination, eye movement, and overall impairment clues. A person can refuse in many jurisdictions, but that refusal may have consequences or be used as part of the overall picture. She keeps asking for the right answer, but the real problem is that she does not want either answer. If she participates, she risks giving the officer more evidence. If she refuses, the officer relies on what he already observed. She wants a third option where nothing she does can hurt her. There is no third option. The officer actually tries to slow it down and explain it multiple times. He tells her she is not currently under arrest for DUI. He explains that she is under arrest for resisting without violence, and that the DUI decision depends on the investigation. He offers to demonstrate the exercises. He gives her chances to continue or stop. She turns almost every explanation into a complaint about how unfair the process feels. That is where immaturity becomes the real obstacle. She does not simply say, "I am too anxious to continue." She shifts between refusing, half participating, accusing him of entrapment, saying she needs the hospital, insisting she is not drunk, and asking what the point is. The result is that she creates exactly the kind of observations that hurt her: inability to follow instructions consistently, emotional instability, poor balance, and refusal to complete parts of the process. Some of that may be anxiety, some may be impairment, some may be both. But from the officer's perspective, he does not have to diagnose the emotional source perfectly on the roadside. He has to decide whether there is enough to proceed. And after a wrong-way crash, unusual behavior, resistance, refusal issues, and poor performance, that decision becomes predictable. The hospital issue is also worth separating. Because she was involved in a crash, it makes sense that she would need medical clearance before jail. That does not mean the arrest disappears. It means the system has to make sure she is medically safe before booking. When her boyfriend asks why she is going to the hospital after declining EMS earlier, the answer is practical. Jail intake often requires clearance after a crash or possible injury. That is not special punishment, it is procedure. What makes the whole thing so difficult to watch is the way everyone keeps orbiting her feelings while the actual harm sits quietly in the background. The damaged truck, the wrong way turn, the other driver, the blocked roadway. She keeps saying she is going through something traumatic, but so is the person she hit. That does not mean she deserves cruelty. It means she does not get exclusive ownership of the word trauma after creating a dangerous crash. This is where the entitlement comes through most clearly. It is not just that she cries. Plenty of people cry after a crash. It is that she treats her distress as the main evidence in the case. If she is upset enough, the officer should start over. If she is anxious enough, the DUI process should stop. If her legs shake enough, the consequences should feel unfair. If she says she did not drink enough times, the investigation should end. But emotional intensity is not proof of innocence. Sometimes it is just the sound consequences make when they finally arrive. According to the case outcome provided, she was ultimately charged with DUI and resisting arrest without violence. She was sentenced to 15 days in jail, 12 months of probation, 50 hours of community service, a 12-month license suspension, and DUI classes. That outcome gives the video a very different ending than the one she seemed to want, because this did not end as a misunderstanding at a crash scene. It became a criminal case with real punishment attached, and that is probably the most important part of the entire video. A wrong turn could have been a mistake. A crash could have been handled with responsibility. Panic could have been understandable. But she kept trying to make the consequences about how badly she felt instead of what actually happened. She wanted the officers to see her as the victim of the night. The road told a different story.